stood still. I felt the weight, it broke my will. A broken clock ticks wrong but true. Even my tears had rhythm tonight, dripping down to the beat just right. Oh, the pain it danced in the light. Shadows swaying under the silver moon. Every sob a drum, every crying tune. Whoa, whoa. Even my tears had rhythm tonight, dripping down to the beat just right. Oh, the pain it danced in the light. I felt the weight, it broke my will. A broken clock ticks wrong but true. Oh, even my tears had a rhythm tonight, dripping down to the beat just right. Oh, the pain it danced in the light. Had a rhythm tonight, dripping down to the beat just right. Oh, the pain it danced in the light. Echoes in the dark, they play my tune. Shadows swaying under the silver moon. Every sob a drum, every crying tune. concrete whispers, they lead me astray. The sky wears bruises, the sun hides away. Dreams get heavy, but I kneel and pray. Ghetto songs in a concrete church, hymns of the streets where we search and search. Walls of stone, but the faith still bursts. Ghetto songs in a concrete church. Street lights flicker like stars out of tune. The night hums low, sings a broken tune. Hope's a candle, burning slow, burning soon. The heart beats steady under the pale face moon. Oh, Jah, can you hear my plea? Roots tangled deep in this urban tree. Ghetto psalms in a concrete church, hymns of the streets where we search and search. Walls of stone, but the faith still bursts. Ghetto psalms in a concrete church. Rats run the choir, shadows dance in pews. Ashes on my lips, but the fire renews. Baptized in rain, this city's blues. Preach to the broken, we've nothing to lose. Ghetto songs in a concrete church, hymns of the streets where we search and search. Walls of stone, but the faith still bursts. Ghetto songs in a concrete church. doesn't rain, the city's blues. Preach to the broken, with nothing to lose. His hands were weathered like old driftwood. I saw shadows most never could. He spoke in whispers, but they carried away time. He said it never waits. He held the cracks you couldn't mend, the pieces lost. He'd help them bend, the rhythms deep, the heart won't pretend. He held the cracks you couldn't mend. Under moonlight where the stories grow, his voice a current, soft undertow. Every word like a seed in sand. He knew the tides but not the plan. What do you hold when the world lets go? Who do you trust when you don't know? He held the cracks you couldn't mend, the broken parts became a friend, a double-blind groove that never ends. He held the cracks you couldn't mend. Echoes bounce like ghosts in the night. He stands still where wrong feels right. Roots run deep through shifting ground. Healing comes in the smallest sound. shadows most never could. He spoke in whispers, but they carried weight. Time, he said, it never waits. He held the cracks you couldn't mend, the pieces lost. He'd held them bent, the rhythms deep, the heart won't pretend. He held the cracks you couldn't mend. Under moonlight where the stories grow, his voice a current soft undertow. Every word like a seed in sand. He knew the tides but not the plan. What do you hold when the world lets go? Who do you trust when you don't know? He held the cracks you couldn't mend, the broken parts became a friend, a dub-line groove that never ends. He held grave. Life don't ask, it just goes. I grew where I broke. I grew where I broke. Through the cracks, through the pain, I rose like smoke. But it couldn't bend me. The night was long, but it had to end. See, shadows tried, but they couldn't spend me. I'm the seed they forgot. I grew where I broke. I grew where I broke. Through the cracks, through the pain, I rose like smoke. Whisper in the storm, a flower in the thorn. I bloom where hearts were torn. I grew where I broke. I grew where I broke. I grew where I broke. Through the cracks, through the pain, I rose like smoke. Slow light music sings a frantic song, horns collide, but Jah hums low like the ocean tide. While the world spins fast, chasing gold, Jah's got a patience that's ancient.
The night is thick, the moon hangs low. A rhythm whispers where the shadows go. Footsteps soft on ancient ground. The lion walks, no chains, no sound. Lion walks beside me through the dark, through the fire. Lion walks beside me. Every step, every mile. The wind it hums a secret tune underneath the watchful moon. Leaves they dance in the lion's mane. Fear dissolves like summer rain. Stars align in their silent song, telling me where I belong. Lion walks beside me through the dark, through the fire. Lion walks beside me. Every step, every mile. In the roar I find my name. In the flame I lose my shame. Through the valley, through the climb, the lion's strength is always mine. The night is thick, the moon hangs low. A rhythm whispers where the shadows go. Footsteps soft secret tune underneath the watchful moon. Leaves they dance in the lion's mane. Fear dissolves like summer rain. The stars align in the silent song, telling me where I belong. Lion walks beside me through the dark, through the fire. Lion walks beside me. Every step, every mile. In the roar I find my name. In the flame I lose my shame. Through the valley, through the climb, the lion's strength is always mine. Fingers dance on a glowing screen, eyes locked in a digital dream. The night is quiet, no one's near, but the static hum is all I hear. Scrolling through the silence, chasing time, lost in the rhythm of the neon climb. Oh, scrolling through the silence, so sublime, in the endless loop of a pixel rhyme. Shadows stretch, the moon looks shy, waves of light in the corner of my eye. 1,000 faces, 1,000 lives, but none of them know where the real world lies. Scrolling through the silence, chasing time, lost in the rhythm of the neon climb. Oh, scrolling through the silence, so sublime, in the endless loop of a pixel rhyme. Tick tock, the clock won't stop. Every scroll another drop in the ocean of the unseen, where the real meets the machine. Scrolling through the silence, chasing time, lost in the rhythm of the neon climb. Oh, scrolling through the silence, so sublime, in the endless loop of a pixel rhyme.
clock won't stop. Every scroll, another drop in the ocean of the unseen, where the real meets the machine. Scrolling through the silence, chasing time, lost in the rhythm of the neon climb. Oh, scrolling through the silence, so sublime, in the endless loop of a pixel rhyme. The sky don't hum like it used to hum. The wind don't sing like it used to sing. The silence here, it cuts like stone. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Empty rooms, echoes on the floor. I keep knocking, but there ain't no door. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Shadows creeping where the light should stay. Clock hands whisper, ticking time away. A heavy weight sits on the open shore. Stillness don't feel like home no more. You used to cradle me, a soft cocoon. Now it's a hollow space, a broken tune. I hear it calling, but I can't explore. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Empty rooms, echoes on the floor. I keep knocking, but there ain't no door. Stillness don't feel like home no more.
sing like it used to sing. The silence here, it cuts like stone. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Empty rooms, echoes on the floor. I keep knocking, but there ain't no door. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Shadows creeping where the light should stay. Clock hands whisper, ticking time away. A heavy weight sits on the open shore. Stillness don't feel like home no more. It used to cradle me, a soft cocoon, now it's a hollow space. A broken tune, I hear it calling but I can't explore. Stillness don't feel like home no more, no. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Empty rooms, echoes on the floor. I keep knocking, but there ain't no door. Stillness don't feel like home no more. Breeze won't carry my dreams tonight. Stars don't burn, they've lost their light. I'm adrifting, waves I can't ignore. Stillness don't feel like home no more. I saw the light down by the shore. It waved, it shimmered, then it closed the door. Told myself, maybe it's not my time, but it whispered low, you'll be just fine. The light didn't save me, it waited, it stood still, it never hesitated. Not a hero, not a guide, just a mirror showing what I hide. The sea sang a song, but the tune was bent. Every note like a question, every word unspent. Salt on my skin, and a tear in my hand. The light stayed watching, it made no demand. Why didn't it pull me? Why didn't it shout? It left me to wonder, to figure it out. The light didn't save me, it waited, it stood still, it never hesitated. Not a savior, not a flame, just a shadow calling my name. I wanted a rescue, but it gave me a chance to step through the dark, to learn my own dance. Echoes of brass, like a heartbeat slow. The light didn't save me, it just let me grow. I saw the light down by the shore. It waved, it shimmered, then it closed the door. Told myself maybe it's not my time, but it whispered low, you'll be just fine. The light didn't save me, it waited, it stood still, it never hesitated. Not a hero, not a guide, just a mirror showing what I hide. The sea sang a song, but the tune was bent. Every note like a question, every word unspent. Salt on my skin and a tear in my hand. The light stayed watching, it made no demand. Why didn't it pull me? Why didn't it shout? It left me to wonder, to figure it out. The light didn't save me, it waited, it stood still, it never hesitated. Not a savior, not a flame, just a shadow calling my name. I wanted a rescue, but it gave me a chance to step through the dark, to learn my own dance. Echoes of brass like a heartbeat slow. The light didn't save me, it just let me grow.